Hello, we are at High Walk and Talk Clinic. My name is Dr. Katya, and we are here today talking about Eyerising therapy. This is a myopia management treatment that is focused on red light therapy, and the main goal is to increase the oxygen levels on the sclera, and with that we're going to try to decrease the possibilities of getting the eyeball to get bigger. Today we have Adam with us. Come on, Adam, how are you today?
Very good.
Good. So we're going to show you how we're going to start using this machine so you can start doing the treatment at your home. So first of all, you're going to have to look inside here. Wait, sit a little bit back. Let's go. Have a look inside. And we're going to adjust here in order that you are very comfortable. There we go. Is it good now?
Yeah.
Perfect. And we're going to lock it in. And you're going to tell me, Adam, can you see one light or two lights?
I can see two.
Two lights. Okay, so with your hands, you're going to hold here and you're going to move slowly in order that you can achieve only one light. So there we go. Good job. And once you see it, you will stop. Done?
Done.
Okay, perfect. So our goal now is that you're going to have to look inside for 3 minutes. During those 3 minutes, you're going to see a red light, and that's all you need to do. Nothing else, 3 minutes. Does it seem easy?
Yes.
Okay, so first thing, you're going to have to do it 5 days a week, okay? And during those 5 days a week, you have to do it twice per day. 3 minutes, 2 times a day, 5 days a week. Easy, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. That's all we need.
Hi there, my name is Willow the Wombat, and I'm here to help you with your Eyerising myopia management device. It's a really easy to use device to help you with your myopia. And together, we'll be able to get you set up and going in no time. With your Guardian, first unpack the device and place it on a flat surface, like a bench or a table. The device should be used indoors only, and it is not to be moved when it is turned on. You'll be looking into the device for 3 minutes at a time. So we want to get you set up in a comfortable position to use your device. To get comfortable, we need to adjust 2 things, the height of the chair and the angle of the eyepiece. When using the device, you will need to be seated, and the height of the chair should be adjusted to ensure the device can be used comfortably. Next, adjust your view into the device by adjusting the hand wheel to achieve a comfortable position, so you're looking forward and not arching your back and neck uncomfortably up or down. To do this, turn the knobs on the side of the device to loosen it, and move the eyepiece up and down to achieve the desired position. Once you are happy, retighten the knobs to keep it in place. Once you have found your preferred spot, get your Guardian to connect the power adapter provided with the device to a power supply. Then we're ready to turn on the power. Turn the switch on the back of the device. To begin, sit in front of the device. You should see me on the display, waiting to help. Press the settings button at the bottom right of the display screen to enter Wi-Fi connection information. This device will need to be connected to Wi-Fi for it to be used. Select Wi-Fi and enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the device to the internet. If Wi-Fi connection is successful, there will be a green Wi-Fi icon displayed on the bottom left corner of the screen. You cannot start the treatment if Wi-Fi is not connected. Next, press the return button on the display screen to go back to the user login screen. Enter your unique username and password provided when you register via the online system and click the login button. The device will enter pre-treatment mode after successful login. If you can't remember your username and password, you should have also received a copy via email. We're almost ready to go, so check that your position is comfortable one more time. If you have glasses or contact lenses, now is the time to take them off, as you'll be using the device without them on. To start the treatment, on the display, press the next button until you get to the ready screen, then press start to initiate the treatment. Now you need to look through the eyepiece with your eyes open. If you have your eyes closed, the treatment won't work. For the first use, you'll need to adjust the red light beams by using the grey adjustment knobs on the top of the device. Get your guardian to help if you need. The knobs will need to be adjusted until two beams merge into one when looking through the device. Ensure the beams are placed where the light looks as bright as possible. For example, the red treatment light may look like this before being adjusted, and it should look like this after being adjusted. Remember, please ensure your eyes are open during the entire treatment, or the device won't help you. You'll need to look into the device for 3 minutes. If it helps you not get bored, maybe ask your guardian to put on a song that lasts approximately 3 minutes that you can listen or sing along to while looking into the device. Once the treatment is finished, the red light will stop. Your guardian will be able to see how long is left by looking at the display screen, which will display a counter during the treatment. The treatment will cease after 180 seconds. There is also a count timer to indicate the minimum gap between treatments, so that you know when it's okay to use the device again. The device will lock you out from initiating treatment within 4 hours of the last session, so make sure to time your treatments so there is enough time in the day to fit in both sessions. After each use, turn off the power switch at the back of the device. To keep the device in good working condition, please keep it in a dry environment, protected from direct sunlight and radioactive sources, such as a microwave. It is important to follow guidance from your doctor by using the device twice a day for 3 minutes, 5 days per week, with at least a 4-hour gap in between each treatment for the duration of this treatment. This will ensure you receive the maximum benefit. We recommend using it once before school and the second session after school, because this is an easy schedule to fit into your normal routine. If you have any questions regarding the usage of the device or problems with the device working, please visit our website or email support@eyerisinginternational.com.